Pro Radio 9.1 is here, and this update is focused on making your radio website more useful, more compatible, faster, and easier to manage. Welcome to the new Pro Radio podcast. This is Pro Radio 9.1. Let's start with the new weather widget. Weather is a natural feature for radio. Morning shows, local news, community stations, regional broadcasters, and city-based radios can all use it to make their website more useful for listeners. Yes, there are tons of weather plugins out there, but they usually come with three big problems. First, they don't match your page design. Second, they don't always work well with Ajax Page navigation. And third, they can be too complicated to set up, requiring external API keys, accounts, coordinates, and long installation procedures. The new Pro Radio Weather widget is different. It is easy to use, it integrates seamlessly into your Pro Radio website, it doesn't require a separate API key in the default setup, and it is compatible with Pro Radio Ajax Page navigation and your page design. Just open your page with Elementor, drag the new widget, choose the city, and adjust the settings. You can choose from multiple layout options, including minimal design, hourly weather information, and upcoming days forecast. You can also choose between different icon styles, clean vector icons, colorful icons, or even animated icons. And of course, you can change the colors and styling matching your website branding, which for radio station is a must. In our new demo coming tomorrow, you can already see the weather widget in action from the link below. News number 2, HLS support. Yes, after many customer requests, we finally added HLS support to the Pro Radio music player. Pro Radio loads the HLS feature only for the radio channels that actually need them. So, if your radio doesn't use HLS, no worries. This update won't add unnecessary weight to your loading time. And if you do use HLS, the integration is just one setting away. Copy your M3 U8 stream into your radio channel settings, select HLS and the streaming format, and save. And the player will load the required features only when needed. Your HLS stream can then work inside the Pro Radio non-stop player experience with Ajax-friendly navigation, channel buttons, play pause control, volume control, station information, and the same familiar Pro Radio player interface. This means another big family of radio streamers can finally use the Pro Radio player experience while the music keeps playing across the website. HLS support is also designed to coexist with the Pro Radio ecosystem, including Sidekick-powered features such as song history, charts, and Sidekick AI Writer to automatically generate magazine articles out of your simple chart playlist. Next, improved Ajax navigation and performance. Pro Radio 9.1 comes with a better way to handle Elementor CSS cache, helping prevent broken page design and avoiding annoying admin notifications. With the new Ajax Page Load 9.1, your site can silently identify and rebuild the necessary Elementor CSS files in the background. And finally, Demo 52, Pitch Buzz FM is coming tomorrow. It is a colorful pop radio website template with live player sections, schedules, show, podcast, chart, news, sponsor, and examples of the new weather widget. Pro Radio 9.1 is out now. You can use the automatic updater as always and install the new version in just 2 clicks. And if your updates and support service expired, just send us a message from the link below and we'll help you reactivate access to the latest versions. Oh, and one more thing. Don't have Pro Radio yet? This is the right time to upgrade your station website. Until May 15, you can get 15% off using the coupon code May15 at the checkout. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon on Pro.Radio.